How to buy Max token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token and keep engaging with the community there. Now, after that, open it on CoinGisco. As you can see, this is our token. Now, to be able to buy it, just go and click on here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address came under this network. Now, open your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address. After that, as you can see, so this is it. Just click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive the token. Of course, you can increase this amount or decrease it. After that, select your provider that you want to buy from, for example, Jupiter, and here read all of that information. After that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you find an issue, go back to this page and switch the sleep patch from here or custom it. So after that, you will be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Max token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.